to our channel. Here are 4 healthy smoothie recipes that can support your weight loss goals. 1. Cucumber mint cooler ingredients: cucumber mint leaves, green apple, lemon juice, water or coconut water, ice. Blend refreshing cucumber and mint with apple and lemon for a light and hydrating smoothie. 2. Peanut Butter-Berry Bliss ingredients: mixed berries, banana, peanut butter, Greek yogurt, almond milk. Blend for a creamy and indulgent smoothie that combines the flavors of berries and peanut butter. 3. Avocado Kale Green Smoothie. Ingredients: avocado, kale, banana, lime juice, water or coconut water, honey optional. Blend avocado, nutrient-rich kale, and banana for a smoothie that's packed with healthy fats and vitamins. 4. Chia Seed Berry Burst. Ingredients: mixed berries, chia seeds, almond milk, Greek yogurt, honey optional. Blend for a high-fiber smoothie with chia seeds that can help keep you full and satisfied. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Discover the ultimate natural solution for effective weight loss in our comprehensive guide. Dive into proven tips and techniques that will help you shed those extra pounds and boost your confidence. Click the link in the video description to access your path to a healthier, fitter you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your body and your life. Start your journey today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel